In the video tutorial, this time, I will explain how to delete the password, sheet protection, or opening protected files. The way is pretty easy. We're going to be using Code Yes or script. But before I would protect this sheet first to prove to the friends that this file completely protected. Well, here I am, this protection sheet. I right-click, then I choose Protect Sheet. Next, here I enter the password. Then I'll take care of it. Well, I'll fill it with the same password as this one. I'm okay, right? Well now, let's see. If we click this home, then this going to gray means our sheet already protected. How to open it? Pretty easy. Go to the developer. If this developer tab does not appear, you can select the file. Then select option. Then choose Custom Ribbon. Well, come here later. The developer must guys check. Well, this is it. Should be ticked, yeah. If it's like this, friends can tick like this, then okay. Then this developer will appear. After the developer appeared, guys click the tab the developer ini, then select Visual Basic. Well, next select Insert, then select Well, module. Here we will paste the script. I have prepared the script in the description of this video. I took it here. This is it. Then I press Ctrl+A. Then I right-click copy. Well, I'll paste it here. Right-click paste. Next, after paste, guys can keep. Select the file and then select this one, the top one. OK, yes. Well, after successfully saved, next, go back to our Excel view. Then choose Macros. Next, here comes up Internal Password. Just run. We wait for the process to finish. After waiting a few moments, the protection sheet will open. Like this, we can do the editing. Like this. Yeah. Well, here's the sign. On the Home tab, it's the color of gray. But it's clear like this. The alignment. Usually here a gray means we've made it. Unlock its protection. Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.